This is advanced tutorial of microneedling around your eyes. That means lift your brows, get rid of your saggy lids, get rid of your crow's feet, help with the hollowness and dark circles. If you have not microneedled your eye area for over a year, keep scrolling. I'm gonna put the link here where to go for the beginners, and I need you to give me a pinky promise that you will not watch this video at least you have been dermarolling eye area for over a year, or at least had at least minimally 25 sessions. All right, now that we all left with the knowledge and experience in microneedling, I'm so happy to share with you guys that we can and we will lift the brows, get rid of that droopy eyelids, help with the crow's feet, darker circles. Now, I'm not a magic person that I can help you to get rid of all of this, but I will tell you honestly, like that, with the two hands, if you are consistent with microneedling, you will not need BOTOX anymore. And this is so fast. Once you get used to that, you can literally do microneedling 1 minute once a week, and it will change your skin, it will change your confidence, and confidence will change your life, and you will make more money and your husband will be happy, period. All right, this is what we do. We do have mini Dermaroller 0.5. Yes, we can use 0.5. I never talk about that on my social media, but clinically you can. But here's the thing, you have to be experienced and you have to know what you're doing. And here I am, licensed esthetician, to show you how to use 0.5, any microneedling tool, Dermaroller stamp or pen, but I'm gonna be using a real individual needle Dermaroller that is trademarked by Jean Amber, which is me. If you wanna have a beautiful results around your eye, keep on watching. The first thing what you want to do, you want to disinfect your tool. How to disinfect your tools, you advance, you probably know how to, but just in case if you don't know, the video is going to be up here. Of course, you have to disinfect your eye zone, and of course I'm using natural foam cleanser, which is liquid oxygen around my eyes. I don't have makeup, I don't have anything, but I'm still disinfecting. You want to disinfect eye area. By the way, with this tool you can use around the lips, around the ears. There's more ways to use that, but this video is focused only on the eye area because that's the biggest issue that most of us ladies and gentlemen have. I do have some guys that they actually take care of their skin, and kudos to actually those gentlemen. So I'm really trying to disinfect everything around my eye, my brows, because yes, we will dermaroll the brows. By the way, we can make our brows bushier with the microneedling because it boosts and helps to stimulate hair growth only in the places where we do have hair. If you do not have hair over here, don't worry, you will not have hair by microneedling that zone. So first thing what I do, I'm taking mini. I start with above the brow, and as you know, straight lines lift, straight line lift, straight line lift, not back and forth, but straight line lift. And you don't want to do that. You go straight line above the brow, and you do like 10 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 above the brow, but down line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now on the brow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the brow, you kind of push. Don't be afraid to push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now below the brow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't be afraid to push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now brow is done. Let's go to the crow's feet, and I will use, like, this is gonna be one line, second line, because by the way, guys, I don't have BOTOX, no fillers, no lasers, no threads, and I'm 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll do here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then here you can close your eyes just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if you want to do that inside, you can do. Redness is totally normal. It's totally fine. I'll do inside as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 11 lines, perfect for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each line. This is so freaking good in each line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can be done with this eye, or you can repeat the same thing. Like if you're starting 0.5 around your eyes, I will not recommend a regular Dermaroller. 0.5 around the eyes because it's very delicate eye area. You have to be careful. I will highly recommend to do that with a closed eye. I'm kind of filming looking, but it's better when you have a closed eye just in case. God forbid you will not gonna poke your eye with the needle. You don't want to do that. So kind of like right away, do you see the lifting? When people say you have BOTOX, like your brows are lifted and better than 10 years ago. I can put my picture 10 years ago. This is how I was before 10 years ago with the hooded eyes. Look, like automatically lifted. And this is not a temporary. Microneedling is not temporary. If you're gonna start doing this every week for like 2, 3, 4 months, later you can reduce to twice a month, and then eventually just kind of do like follow up just once a month all the time. When you do something once a month, I call it this temporary. Even BOTOX, you have to refill it. Even fillers, you have to redo it. Even plastic surgery in 10 years, you have to redo it. This is just kind of literally doing 1 minute once a month eventually. This is what I do right now. So you see the difference? All right, what I do after, I will take vitamin C cream. I will apply super gentle. Make sure your hands are clean and disinfected. I highly recommend to get this. It's affordable, lasts forever, gonna last you a year. And you can wash your fruits, veggies, anything. Sanitize your hands. We do have in refill form and mini as well, where you can fly and carry in your purse, disinfect your hands. I disinfect my son's, who is toddler, hands all the time. And look, look, look. And basically enough. When people say 10 rolls is enough, look at this, how red I am. For me, it's enough. And now what I'm gonna follow with the eye mask. And pretty much that's it. You're just gonna do this for 2 eyes. All right, and this is with all the minerals and all the vitamins and all the nourishing and restoring and hydrating ingredients in that mask. Toxic free certified, hydrating and clean mask for your eyes. Now after that, of course, you don't want to go in the sun for the next day or 2. It's easy to do only eye microneedling because you can cover with SPF, glasses, hat, and you can actually go to the beach. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't. You will help me a lot. I'm providing all this educational content for free. I also have discount code for you if you want to. Disinfect, roll, cream, mask, and sleep. I highly recommend to do this before bed. Any questions? Please let me know down below. I love you. Bye.